Cumbria is a very dispersed county geographically, one of the biggest counties in the country, but actually we're one of the smallest for police officers. We have around 500 incidents a day, over 1,000 calls a day, but with reducing budgets that we're all facing, resources are really, really difficult to spread out across a county like Cumbria. Pretty much every investigation we now deal with has some element of digital media, and that we know is just going to continue to grow. CCTV is a good example of this. We would have to put a log on and schedule resources to go and collect that footage. We have drone footage, we have dash cam footage. That's just the police resources. The public deal with social media in their day-to-day lives all the time, and they are crying out to submit digital evidence to us. But it was really difficult previously to deal with it. The common approach would be seize their mobile device, bring that back to a police station. That would then get tasked to a very small imaging unit. That obviously created bottlenecks in the system. And that's the beauty of AXON Citizen. It's such a simple process, both for police officers, but also for the public as well. So we've received a call from a male at a bus stop in Penrith in relation to a male in possession of a firearm. In the command and control room, we can see that evidence almost instantaneously. Evidence.com then allows us to share digital evidence with our partners quickly, effectively and securely. We've got 1,200 Evidence.com users using Citizen. We've also got more than 700 officers with AXON body-worn video cameras. AXON Citizen has had a significant impact on Cumbria Police. We're not having to send resources to the same level of incident we've traditionally needed to send to. It's saved us money in that regard. Our information is held really securely. It's only accessible by the people who need to access it. The public are at the heart of everything we do, and they can be confident that they can just share what they need to share with the police when they need to. We can get that straight into the evidential chain, and we can make really effective use of it.